Really, man? Really? That's how you feel?
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing there? I just got back and this what you doing, man? You telling this man that you're a single mom?
Hold on. You're not even supposed to be here. Like, you're supposed to be in Afghanistan.
Right.
But we got this camera and shit.
Man, I'm not worrying about all that, man. I'm not even concerned with all that. I'm concerned with the fact that you telling this man stuff that ain't even true, man. So you a single mom? Are you a single mom?
Yeah, I'm a single mom. How long have you been gone? You didn't even tell me you was back. Like, what is this? What really is this?
So look, Kalari, is your name Kalari? We put you on a test today to see if we was testing your loyalty. You know what I'm saying? He has some concerns about him being gone, and you're not responding to his text messages.
And you are again? That's
irrelevant. So like, he heard you the whole time he was over there, and he heard y'all conversation, things of that nature.
What are you looking at him for?
What you doing here?
What you mean what I'm doing here? I told you I was gonna go meet Tiffany.
Oh, Tiffany?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna ask you one more time. What are you doing here?
I already told you I'm going to meet Tiffany.
So, what about Mitchell, the personal trainer? You don't know?
Huh?
What? Huh? You don't know what I'm talking about? Mitchell? No? You know, the one you sent your list to. You don't remember that one?
So, you've been going through my phone?
No. I'm Mitchell. I catfished your mother ass to test you.
What?
I'll try to test you, and I knew
your
your ass
shit
for the
like
streets.
that?
I knew you for the
Why would you
streets.
do that?
Why do some shit like that? I can't believe this shit. How the f you gonna do this shit to me?
How you gonna do this shit to me?
This shit is wild, man. It's a thing. I was about to make you my wife.
Oh, yeah, right. It's been 3 years,
Oh, 3 years, 3 years.
3 years.
3 years. And what's this, baby? What's this? What's this, huh? What's that? What's that? Huh? What's that? Baby Miles, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You're a $5. What you gonna do? Meet up with them suckers and come back and kiss me in the mall?
It's not even like that.
It ain't like that, no?
You was just talking.
You was just talking?
Yeah.
Do you not know that I seen your lips?
She attacked her boyfriend, called the police, and thought she was going to get him arrested. But when the officers heard her own words, the situation flipped instantly. Instead of leaving with sympathy, she left in handcuffs.
Real quick, can you just give me 1 second?
No, that doesn't work that way.
I know.
This boyfriend beater is about to experience getting arrested for the first time in her life after she attacked her boyfriend and had the audacity to call the cops.
What is happening?
So I came here to get pajamas and he was here. We met and we were talking in my car. And then in the car it got a little bit like roughish, not like, it was just like playing around in a way. Like he started grabbing me, like we're arguing right now, going through kind of like a breakup. And then he sees someone call me, he got angry, got out, stole my phone, was like not letting me have my phone. So I'm like, give me my phone back, like kind of like over him trying to get my phone, and he won't give it back. This is the second time around Thanksgiving he stole my phone for a day. Just saying that. He didn't give it back. My mom got involved and he skirted off with my phone at my house. There's been a lot of different things happening. And then he was saying, like, oh, that's why I fucked another bitch. And then that's when I did push him, and I did hit him. But like, not like fist fighting. Like I did push him, and like we weren't like.
And was this outside?
Yes, right.
Picture this. You call the cops to report someone for domestic violence. And when they arrive, the first thing you do is admit to committing the said crime yourself. This should go down in the top 10 plot twists of all time, and the Oscar was delivered by none other than the cops in the shape of cuffs.
To do this right now, really? This is what we're doing? This is like teenage stuff.
It is. That's why,
Yeah.
There we go.
What's going on?
Alright, listen, I'll explain it to you the same way I explained it to your mom, okay? In the state of we have no choice in certain types of situations when they're dating or domestic. Like you told me there is an intimate sexual relationship within the last 6 months that qualifies this as dating violence. And based on the comments that you told me, what he told this officer.
We had a big dispute on Thanksgiving. He came to my mother-in-law's house acting like an asshole. Like,
I gotcha. Were we called then?
No, I didn't.
Unfortunately, we have to.
My husband spoke to
Unfortunately,
him.
we take things case by case, and we're dealing with what happened here right now.
But it was like they didn't. You know, there wasn't like a dispute. You know, like he's not.
Battery is a touch or strike, as per Yes,
But he
gotcha.
took her phone. We didn't want to make a big deal about it. I don't think.
I understand.
I'm sorry, but I had, all that going on.
Okay. Well, listen, as it stands, unfortunately, based on what I've been told and what this officer has been told, then we're going to have to take you to jail for domestic battery, or for dating violence battery, okay? That is just where we're at. I don't really have a choice in the matter. We don't. I'm going to have to ask you to put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Real quick, can you just give me one second?
No, that doesn't work that way.
I know. But just give us one second. Are you serious?
Yeah, it is the law of the state of...
In the end, this is why staying calm matters. Accountability has a funny way of showing up when facts starts lining up. She thought calling the cops would put him in trouble, but her own words told otherwise. In situations like this, the truth usually comes out when people start talking too much. One moment of honesty can change the entire narrative. So in the end, the situation flipped completely.
They asked a female CEO why she doesn't just hire all women, and this was her response.
The whole thing is, girls are usually quite lazy. They're just not that good programmers. Sorry, but that's true, honestly. They just don't want to get their hands dirty to do the job. And when I tried to do some recruiting, I intentionally wanted to recruit women. And at the end, I failed to do so. Do you want to know why? Because most of those girls were usually just cheating, and they were just not good programmers. At the end, I had to recruit boys. And that's why I think the whole talk about let's recruit more women is bad, because at the end, you're recruiting worse programmers. At the end, your company is going to suffer. You're going to lose some money. I know it's trendy to talk about women in IT.
This selfish woman popped her balloon after seeing him give other ladies a single flower, but instantly regretted it when she found out what he had for her.
I am gonna have you pop one balloon. Why we end up popping hers?
It's because I related to her answers more.
So why'd you have your balloon unpopped for him?
You came out here very confident. The flowers, like the romantic gesture.
I actually want everybody to get a flower.
So why did we end up popping?
Well, first it was like, cause I would have went with him. Like, he's my type. But I didn't like the giving out the flowers. I feel like at this point, it's not about being selfish. You made your choice, so why would you want to give it? But why?
Everybody beautiful, and I got you a bouquet of flowers. I gave everybody a single flower.
But you don't think that's like...
You was penny wise and dollar foolish just now. I'm gonna just let you know.
Yeah, you're right, man. Penny wise, dollar foolish. This channel documents stories like this to help men see the pattern, avoid the trap, and move smarter in modern dating. So to see more of this, stick around, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.